Think you can't shoot like a pro with your smartphone? Stop scrolling. Your next viral video starts right here. If your video is shaky, dark, or boring, you're doing it wrong. Watch this video before you hit record. Your phone is more powerful than you think. Unleash its full potential. These tips can turn your amateur videos into cinematic masterpieces. You don't need a $5,000 camera to shoot professional videos. You already have the gear in your pocket. Eye-catching smartphone videos? It all depends on your technique. Get ready, your next video will look 10x better. 1. Use a stabilizer or gimbal. Even the best phone stabilization can't replace the fluidity of a 3-axis gimbal, like the DJI Osmo Mobile or the Zhiyun Smooth. Ideal for walking shots, panning, and tracking moving subjects. Tip: if you don't have a gimbal, use both hands, tuck your elbows, and bend your knees slightly when moving to reduce vibration. 2. Record in log or HDR mode. Log mode captures a flat color profile, perfect for color grading in editing. HDR mode improves dynamic range so highlights and shadows look more balanced. Example: ProRes log video on the iPhone or HDR10 Plus on the Galaxy can give your footage a cinematic look after editing. 3. Master manual settings. Use third-party apps like Filmic Pro, ProShot, or MC Pro 24 FPS to gain full control over shutter speed for natural motion blur. Double the frame rate, e.g., 1/50th for 24 FPS. ISO. Keep it low to reduce grain. Focus. Lock it to prevent focus creep when shooting. White balance. Lock it to maintain color consistency. Pro tip: lock the exposure before recording to avoid sudden changes in brightness. 4. Use external microphones. Built-in microphones pick up wind and background noise. Lapel, clip-on microphones are ideal for videos with voice. Shotgun microphones help isolate voices from ambient noise. Wireless systems like the Rode Wireless Go 2 are ideal for interviews and vlogs. 5. Lighting is everything. Good lighting can make budget phones look like high-end cameras. Use soft, diffused light to avoid harsh shadows, ring lights, LED panels, or shooting near a window. Golden hour, just after sunrise or before sunset, adds a cinematic glow. 6. Frame and compose your shots. Follow the rule of thirds. Place subjects in 1/3 of the frame for a more pleasing look. Keep the horizon straight unless intentionally tilted for style. Use guidelines to direct the viewer's eye to your subject. 7. Keep your lens clean. Fingerprints, dust, or smudges can affect clarity. Always carry a microfiber cloth and clean it before every shot. 8. Plan your shots. Create a storyboard or at least a shot list so you know what angles you need. Combine wide, medium, and close-up shots for a dynamic edit. 9. Shoot at the highest possible quality. Always choose the highest resolution and bitrate your phone allows, e.g., 4K 60 FPS or 8K if available. More data means better quality in your edit, even if you export at 1080p. 10. Use slow motion and time lapse creatively. Slow motion is great for action scenes or dramatic moments. Time lapse works well for transitions, sunsets, and city traffic. Tip: for smooth slow motion, shoot at 120 FPS or 240 FPS and slow down while editing.